So hey guys, in this video I'll show you how can you get a free macOS sale. So here you have to firstly go that repo that called Fastmac. So this is not an illegal process, but still I recommend to use another GitHub account. So here you have to tap that to generate a repo with this template. So here repo name is Fastmac and create a repo. So after created, click that to run the Mac workflow, and as you can see this is the Mac. So here run workflow and tap that run workflow. So you can refresh the page. So here you can see Mac is running. So tap that. Now tap this build to see the build process. So give it some time. Okay, as you can see, this is my SSH URL. Now copy this. Now open putty and paste that over hostname and open. So as you can see, this is my putty session. Now press Q. So here Brew is installed already. Now installed NeoFetch. Brew install NeoFetch. To see the specifications of this system. Okay, so the NeoFetch is installed. Now clear this page and here NeoFetch. So as you can see, this is a Catalina, macOS Catalina, and this is running on VMware. So it has root access also. So sudo I and who am I to check, and as you can see this is root. To stop this session, go to your GitHub again and go to your workflow section. Here cancel workflow to stop this. So I hope you understand and enjoy with this Mac. Bye bye.